Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the HEROCLIP multi-purpose carabiner. I did a previous video about this clip, but it was more of a comparison with the fake version of the clip and not a full review of it. So this is going to be a full review of the clip in all size variations. The HEROCLIP comes in three sizes, starting from the largest, which is medium, then small, and mini. Each size clip has a different maximum weight capacity, which is listed at the top of the packet as you can see. The medium carries a maximum of 60 pounds or 27 kilograms, the small carries a maximum of 50 pounds or 22 kilograms, and the mini a max of 40 pounds or 18 kilograms. Of the three sizes, I found myself reaching for the mini version most of the time. I really like the size and pocketability of it. The small is also a great size, but I found the medium a little bit too large for my pocket. The medium feels more like a clip that I would use for long-term hanging solutions, like a bike or something as in the picture on the packet. The three sizes of HEROCLIP are all available in the basic colors. However, each of the sizes also have some slight variations of colors available. It's worth checking out the HEROCLIP website to see the full selection of colors, and even some limited pattern designs available, like this woodland color that I have here. In terms of usability, these clips are super easy to use and have a near endless amount of use cases, limited only by your imagination. The most common for my use though is hanging a bag on bathroom doors where there is no hook or where the hook is broken. I've also found it useful for hanging my toiletry bag in bathrooms which didn't have a bench top. While traveling to an island in Thailand, I had to switch my sneakers to water shoes. Because there's no docks on the island, you have to step directly into the water when you get off. So I use the HEROCLIP to hang my sneakers on the back of my backpack, as you can see here. So these are just some of the use cases that I came across, but there are many more ways to use it, especially if your bag has daisy chain webbing, or if you use the clip in conjunction with a strap. It's overall just a very useful and versatile piece of gear, or to have in your pocket or backpack for all those situations where you might want to hang a bag or something else. In terms of price, the HEROCLIP Medium comes in at only $19.95 US, which is about 28 Australian, and the small at $17.95 US or 26 Australian. The mini at $14.95 US or 21 Australian. Overall, I really like the HEROCLIP, especially the mini version. It's lightweight and versatile and will definitely be a mainstay in my packing list from here on out. I definitely recommend checking out the HEROCLIP website to see the latest colors available. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments which is your favorite size and color, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.